Holy guacamole! Look at that! Really foams out there. Alrighty, petterers. Welcome to Double Club Diesels. I'm Dean. Yep, you know. Today's a huge day. Something that I've been wanting to do ever since I bought the old 358. And that is washing it. I have been wanting to wash this truck since I bought it. And today is the day we're going to do it. The whole purpose of the last video, driving the truck to my workplace, is because they have a steam jetty and I don't have water over at the garage. So, we're going to get the steam jetty up on this thing. We're going to pressure whoosh it. We're going to get all of them. There's tons and tons of moss. Not just giant moss, but just like blatant moss on the axles are kind of green. It's just dirty. It needs a bath. It's been sitting in a field up until now for like 20 years. And we're going to wash it. We're going to detail the motor up a little bit. We might be getting it ready for a show coming up or not. I don't really know. I do know. It is going to a show. If all goes well, taking it to the show in September. Beginning of September. So we're going to wash it. You guys are going to watch. And you're going to enjoy it. And if you do enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. And you guys will keep seeing me putz around on this thing. Maybe other ones. I got the foam sprayer on there because all the truck drivers say that it makes their trucks look fancy, so maybe it'll make mine look fancy. Let's see what happens. Oh, yeah! Holy guacamole! Look at that! It really foams out there. Let me turn that pressure down. think it turned out pretty good. Alrighty, it actually cleaned up pretty nice. I used a trucker foamer and foamed it all up, and you can see my leaf springs are actually still black. I actually have all the paint codes and everything for it. I'm just thrilled. It looks super sweet. I mean, it still looks rusty, but it's still polished up. It's still a pretty nice polished turd, if you know what I mean. Some say you can't polish a turd, but this thing cleaned up quite nice. Now, the one last thing I want to do, as part of the cleanup, getting this truck ready for the show, I do have bad news. I was in order to get it to the show, I drained some fluid from my middle rear, and I kind of felt something kind of poke down, and it was this guy, and that would be, I'm pretty sure, my shift fork for my power divider. But I'm not worried about it. I'm not going to let it get me down. That is going to have to come out at some point, though, which is more fun for you guys. But as I was saying, well, back to what I was just saying, we're actually going to be trailering this to the show, so I really don't have to. I'm not too worried about that, driving it or anything. So the big thing that I'm excited about with this video here, not just washing it, but my brother. He's the man. He does a lot of the editing stuff on my videos and stuff, and he got me this for my birthday. It was a while back. It is the shift pattern for the auxiliary shifter. He got it on an aluminum plate and everything. This is supposed to be factory a sticker, but you know what? I like it better as aluminum plaque. It's gonna be, we're gonna rivet it on. A lot of people say don't drill holes in your Brockway dash. Well, tough nuts. I'm doing it because I want to do it. And the sticker, because someday I'm actually gonna redo this dash, maybe. And the sticker just ain't as cool. And then I would have to buy another sticker. So we're gonna throw it on there. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and then you guys can go back on your merry way. There we go, pitter patters, all in our glory. The main box and the auxiliary. How about that? You know what I mean? Let's see if she starts after all that washing. Maybe we got an electrical fire gonna happen or something. Nah. Oh, like a dream. Alrighty. Well, that's a wrap for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch me next week. Maybe we'll get it to the truck show. Maybe we won't. You know? How about that? Brockway.